You're about to watch the DETMURDS channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, today's going to be a video of me making something I've never made. I'm going to attempt to make the DETMURDS pineapple pepperoni upside down pizza. That's right, I'm going to bake a pizza upside down. Then I'm going to flip it over just like a pineapple upside down cake. But in this pizza, there's not going to be any cherries. Been thinking about making this pizza for a long time. And my question is it going to work? Is it going to stick to the pan? Build this pizza and we'll throw it in the oven and I'll be right back with y'all. We'll see how it is. I got this oven warming up to 450. It's at 425. I'm going to put it in now. See how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't stick.
You're watching the DETMURDS channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
She's in there. See how it goes. Right, this pizza looks about done. I'm going to pull it out. See how this goes. Man, that is hot. Looks like some of the pepperonis are burnt. Okay. You see some moisture leakage? That's oil probably. That came off the pan and leaked on top of the stove. Let's take a look, see if this will come off. Oh, it came off pretty easy. Let's see. Holy doodle, it's a pizza. Oh my gosh. The DETMURDS pineapple upside down pepperoni pizza. That looks great. Ooh, doggy. Let's let this thing cool off and we're gonna dig into it. I was thinking that the pepperonis were burning because I seen this crust that was getting a nice fry on. Beautiful. And that got fried because I put that oil on the pan, which is great. I love it. Kind of Detroit style round pizza, right? Yeah, this is the DETMURDS pineapple pepperoni upside down pizza. Let's cut this up and get a bite. I'm just going to cut one piece just for me. Don't need a whole lot. looks good. Cheers. Very nice. Kind of a Detroit style round pizza in a way. It's got a thick crust. I might have to experiment making pizza this way, in this manner. Very good. Folks, this video was presented by me and sponsored by absolutely nobody. I made this just all on my own. I did not follow any recipes. I didn't look it up. I didn't Google how to make a upside down pizza. Who the heck wants to make an upside down pizza? I did. I don't know if I'm one of a kind or if there's others out there. I did not check anything like that. This is all on my own. Now I will go check. I'm sure there's probably someone out there that's already done it. Probably already on YouTube. And, you know, the only thing I'm the first in is, on YouTube at least, is sharing the Feasto barbecue grill. Okay, that's about it. I'm not doing a pepperoni scale rating. I'm the one that made it. Right, folks? Be nice to each other. Pray for each other. We're in these times.